Located in Cancun, 200 meters from Mujeres Beach, luxury Getaway Ocean View features accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. Featuring a bar, the 5-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with a private bathroom. The accommodations provides a 24-hour front desk, room service and currency exchange for guests. At the hotel, rooms have a wardrobe. At luxury Getaway Ocean View, rooms include a flat-screen TV with cable channels. The accommodations offers 5-star accommodations with a hot tub and terrace. Cancun bus station is 5.6 miles from luxury Getaway Ocean View, while Cancun Government Palace is 6.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Cancun International, 14 miles from the hotel. And the property offers a free airport shuttle service. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.